told me the hip-hop died from a gunshot wound found lies in the eye. Froze with the shade of hip-hop in Vegas, another 4 ran through the great B.I. Sippers to the face, said they got big L, and shots in the club got shines in the cell. Dollar got killed at the mall, Big Pun got clocked up by the hall. ODB stayed on that shit, and Eazy-E couldn't beat that drip. Left Eye said he never took that trip, MC screwed up when he took that sip. We all gon' pass, we all gon' die, we all gon' laugh, we all gon' cry, we all gon' live, we all gon' learn. We either go to heaven, or we gon' burn. When it's your turn, you look back, did you go hard, or did you hold back? Did you fold up when they call you back? Wanna break down when they skip your track? Did you change, you got your fame? Did it when it go straight to your brain? Did you invest it in your team, the ones who help you build your dream? Whole lot of cars, a whole lot of cream. Don't mean a thing when you face that beam. Can't make it rain when you live in a casket. Can't sell shit when they make that cream. This is what I thought when I wrote this verse. Hip hop ain't dead, but it might be cursed. When I go to sleep, I always pray. This is exactly what I say. And now I lay.